Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your REALME C17. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a lot of spammy pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So in the first method of settings, go to the app management and select the app list. Now check all the app on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just tap on it and select, or maybe not on this one, and select the install. Choose OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Choose the storage usage and select the clear data. Now choose the clear all data and tap OK. After that your web browser shall be free from notification software. But you can also download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application you have to tap on the continue with ads and choose the green circle. Now tap on OK and add a permission to the files. Then go back. Now whole process starts automatically, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares shall be removed from your phone. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.